friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner. I'm on a journey to simplify my life through creativity, organization, and planning systems that are easy to use and functional. So if you would like to follow along, let's go. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can set up a plan for the week using the TULA 12 Natasha's Weekly Insert and the GIRLY Handbag Create, Organize, and Plan Kit. Let's take a look at this kit first because it is adorable. So TULA 12 offers, whoops, sorry about the noise. TULA 12 offers each month a different themed Create, Organize, and Plan kit that always comes with these components. And you can use them for a bunch of different things. So today I'm going to show you how you can use them in your insert to make them a little more fun and not just functional. So this particular kit comes with a little information card to get you started. I always use that and cut it out also. It also comes with two double-sided pieces of paper. And these are absolutely gorgeous. They're just screaming like ready for spring with the pinks and the neutral colors there. It comes with a DIY project, and this month's DIY project is a card. So you're gonna get a card base and an envelope that are already set for you. It comes with 3 die cuts. So we've got our little handbags. This one's called the Girly handbag, remember? So we have these adorable little die cuts that you can use. It also comes with a bow and a sentiment on a sticker sheet that you can use for your DIY card project. This one says, "You got this," and a sweet little coral colored pinkish bow. It also comes with a coaster. I love our coasters. I collect them. I'm just gonna sit this right underneath the candle because that seems like a good place for it. Comes with a journal card, and this one says, "Today is the day to slay," and it has a little cabinet with all the handbags. I think I need that in my life. And it comes with 3 buttons. 3 wooden buttons that you can use in your cards, you can use in your planner, you can use them in your craft space, whatever you like to use them for, but they're always really, really sweet. All right, so that is some of the components. We also get a washi tape, which I'm gonna be using today, so you'll get to see that in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and slide these over here because I think the things that we're gonna be using I've already pulled out. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my planner. This is an XL size planner. And I am going to pull out the sticky notes that I have in here, which come from that kit also. It says, "You got this," with those cute little shoes. I'm also going to pull out the sticker sheet that comes with it, with lots of different ways that you can use that, and a stencil, because I'm gonna use that for sure. Then I'm gonna go ahead and slide this insert out. So our covers are like a traditional traveler style notebook, and I'm gonna go ahead and slide that out so that we can work in it a little bit easier. I'm just gonna set the rest of my planner off to the side. This is also the magnet that comes with that Girly handbag kit. And I'm gonna go ahead and just take that off and sit that right there for a minute. Now this insert is a fairly new insert. It was introduced to us during a $5 Friday, which is always fun. And I just got it in the mail and I've decided that I wanna start using it and give it a go. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this in a little bit. Move some of these out of the way so you can see it a little bit better. Give myself a little bit of room here. There we go. And I'm gonna make it pretty because I'm very visual and I like things to be fun and functional, like I said. So the first thing that I'm gonna start with is our stencil and a mild liner marker. And what I'm gonna do is actually put a little swoosh, a little fun little swatch over top of the days of the week so that they're a little bit more fun and not necessarily just kind of sitting there. I am going to line them up. I'm going to use these. These are already cut out. Let me see if I can get a better view of this so you can see it. There we go. So they have lots of different types of swooshes. You've got some larger ones that you can put some inspirational quotes in or even like a to-do list. And then there's some easier ones that you can use like I'm going to use right now for the words for the days of the week. So I'm just going to go ahead and do those really quickly. I might put you on fast forward if it feels like it's taking a lengthy amount of time, but we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of line these up And mild liners work great, so do regular markers. The only markers that I have found that I don't suggest are Sharpie markers, and that's because they're just a little too saturated, and they could potentially bleed through. But other markers that I've used, I've had no problems, including these mild liners. So that's why I have chosen this particular brand. I do use Tombow markers also, and have not had any problems with those either. All right, so that actually doesn't take too long. So let's just go ahead and continue. I'm alternating them just so that they have a little bit of a different look and feel. And I do want to, just so that it sits a little bit better, I'm gonna build this up a little bit. I might have to put some sticky notes under it just because it's the very first page and I don't want it to buckle on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just line that up a little bit, and that should be perfect. Now, I don't know if you have used stencils in your planners before. This is kind of new for me. I have used stencils in my journal, but I haven't ventured out to use them a whole lot in my planner. So I'm kind of excited to see how this looks because I've had this plan in my head, but I haven't necessarily thought about doing it. So I'm kind of excited to see what this turns out to look like. All right, let me put this back over there. Kind of keep going with this, and let's see how it turns out. So that is all of the days of the week all stenciled in. I think I'm also going to do this next week one down here just because I feel like it needs a little bit of a spotlight, but I want to use maybe a different stencil on that. So I think I'm going to use this messy one, and I'm okay with it just kind of going into that pocket right there. So I'm just going to line this up and do this one really quickly. I could have just stopped at that line too, but I think I'm okay with how this is going to look. So we'll just do that whole thing. Perfect. All right, so we are done with the stenciling portion. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that up there. Next, what I want to do is use some of the washi tape and cover up these gray boxes. Now, if you have specific things that you might want to write here, like maybe it's a to-do list or you have something else that you want to use that for specifically, you can write the words in. They do come pre-printed with important and appointments, but I'm just going to go ahead and cover it up with some of this handbag washi tape because I'm probably just going to use it for a to-do list or a project list because that's what I'm thinking this is going to end up being for me. So let me just get this washi tape started. Give me 1 second. I should have had that already done. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to find my stencil. I'm using this as a way to cut the washi. So that's a nice little trick for you. If you didn't know that, you can use credit cards or scissors, of course, or stencils to cut your washi. And because the washi's a little bit bigger than the actual block, I am going to do each block individually just to make it a little more clean, not necessarily so busy with washi tape going straight across the whole thing. But you can see when you use your stencil, it just kind of comes out, or something else, credit card or whatever, it comes out really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do these all the way across. Last one for for the washi, oh my gosh, this is adorable. It looks so cute. Just gives it a little something, like I said, a little bit of color, a little pop, makes it a little bit functional. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to take my fun sticker sheet that came with that kit and just place a few here and there, leaving myself enough room to be 100% functional in here though, because I am going to use this as a planning insert. So let's pick out a few stickers that we can use here. First one I want to use is the one that says day off. That is my Sunday. I don't know if you guys plan a day off or not, but I most definitely do, and Sunday is that day for me. So I am going to put that sticker right here. Not that I need a reminder, but it's just a good place for that to kind of hang out. Next thing I'm going to do is put a ASAP sticker over here on Monday. Mondays are my planning days to like sit down with this during the whole week and make sure that I've got a plan. I know where I'm going. So I'm going to put that one right over here. And just again, just to have like that little bit of functionality and that reminder. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put some stickers, some of the handbag stickers and things like that, just kind of randomly around so that it's breaking up just the solid white. So let's go ahead and do that. I think I really like this pink little handbag, or kind of like red. I'm going to go ahead and put that one right there. I'm going to, oh, this one's pretty. It's a stack of books with like some perfume on it, or a little vase. That's really sweet. I'm going to go ahead and put that one right here. And I think I'm just needing maybe one more. And I don't want to use the white because of the white on white. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use this fun green floral pattern. And I am going to put that one up here, just kind of next to the appointments in that bar, so that it's not blocking up too much of that creative space. The other thing that you can do with these, which is sometimes really nice, is we all use sticky notes sometimes. Our Create, Organize, and Plans come with sticky notes, so you could actually peel like a few of these off if you wanted to, and just kind of find a place for them to hang out, because sometimes when you are planning or you are writing things, you need a place where you can put some things that are just notes to remember, but you're going to take it off, so you don't want to necessarily write it in your planner. Sticky notes are a perfect way to have something quickly right there without having to have something different, and it's all right here for you, ready to go. So that is our Natasha's weekly insert. Like I said, this was just introduced to TULA 12 not too long ago. I'm super excited to give this a whirl this week and see how this works out, even though it's on Tuesday. I know I'm a day late, but it's fine. So if you guys have any questions at all, please make sure you let me know. I would love to know in the comments how you like to plan your week. Do you like to plan a week ahead, a day ahead, or a month ahead? Go ahead and drop that in the comments for me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all soon next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day, everybody.